In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use backlinks in Obsidian. Backlinks are a simple but powerful way to see how your notes relate to each other. When you're working inside a note, backlinks show you which other notes point to it, so you can quickly explore connected ideas without losing your place. Think of them as a map of references that grows naturally as you write. Start by opening a note inside your Obsidian vault. Your vault is just your workspace, the folder where all your notes live. Pick any note you're currently working on or one you'd like to explore more deeply. With the note open, you're ready to create connections. To link notes together, type a pair of square brackets twice, then the name of the note you want to reference, like this: double brackets, your note name, and double brackets again. As you type, Obsidian usually suggests matching note titles, which helps you link accurately and keep naming consistent. These internal links don't just make navigation faster, they also make your notes more meaningful because related ideas start pulling each other into view. If you're unsure what to link, connect concepts, terms, or projects that naturally relate to the topic you're writing about. Next, open the Backlinks panel from the right sidebar. This panel shows all the places where other notes link to the note you have open. It's essentially a reverse lookup. Instead of asking, "What do I link to?" you're asking, "Who links to me?" This perspective is great for discovery because it often surfaces notes you forgot about or connections you didn't realize were important. Take a moment to review the list of notes linked to your current note. You'll see each backlink, often with a short preview of the surrounding text, so you can understand the context. Skimming these previews helps you decide which connection to follow next, and whether the link still makes sense. When you spot something useful, click a backlink to jump directly to the connected note. Obsidian will take you right to the spot where the link appears, so you can read the surrounding thoughts and navigate confidently without breaking your flow. As you keep writing, continue linking your notes. Over time, you'll build a more connected knowledge system where ideas reinforce each other. Small, frequent links are better than waiting for a perfect structure. Use clear, consistent note titles. Link terms as you encounter them, and let your backlinks guide you to insights you might have missed.